Sound letter teaching cards are an excellent way to teach kids the letters of the alphabet and the sounds that they make. These are the foundational skills of reading. This video is a series of 6, and it will demonstrate how to teach the letters and sounds for week 1, A, B, C, D, and E. Our first sound letter teaching card has a picture of an alligator because alligator begins with the letter A and makes the sound A heard in the beginning of alligator. Introduce the first sound letter card. Say this is the letter A and it makes the A sound that you hear at the beginning of alligator. To help us remember the letter A and the sound that it makes, A, we're going to say a little chant. A, alligator. Say it with me. A, alligator. This is the first practice activity, so kids will need some support. In each row, we want kids to circle that picture that begins with the same beginning sound as alligator. In the first row, we have a seal and an ant. Which one, seal or ant, sounds like alligator? And hopefully they circle the ant. The next row has an anteater and a fish. Which one starts like alligator? Anteater or fish? And hopefully they circle the anteater. And our last row has a lion and an antelope. So is it lion or antelope? And hopefully they circle the antelope. This is the completed activity. This second activity is a sorting activity using magnetic letters and a whiteboard. Have several of the letter A's and then a different letter. I use B's because that is coming up next, and have the children put all of the A's in one circle and the letters that are not an A in the other circle. If you don't have a whiteboard or a magnetic board, the side of your fridge will work fine. If you don't have magnetic letters, use this template and cut out the A's and the B's and just have kids sort them on a piece of paper. Our last activity for the letter A is an alligator with A's and B's, and he needs kids to color all of the A's. And an example of our completed activity. Our second sound letter teaching card is B, and we have a bird. So again, we would chant B, 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 bird, and a couple more times, B, 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 bird. Now kids have to circle the picture that begins with the same sound as bird. So we see in the first row a bee and an ant, in the second row a walrus and a beaver, and in the third row a bear and a hippo. So on each row, kids have to find the picture that begins with the letter B and sounds like B, bird. This is the completed practice page. Have kids sort all of the letter B's into one circle and all the letters that are not a B into the other circle. The side of your refrigerator also works well to sort magnetic letters. If you don't have magnetic letters, use this template, cut out the letters, and then have kids sort them on paper. This is another fun sorting activity using a pocket chart, but you can place the cards on the floor or on a table and have kids leave only the B cards or the B sounding cards in the pocket chart and take all the others away. This is the template I used for the sorting activity. I cut out the letters and then I pasted them onto index cards. Tell kids our next sound letter teaching card is C, and the picture cat makes the C sound. Let's chant our sound letter card. Chant for C. C, C, k, k, cat. C, C, k, k, cat. Remind kids that in this type of activity, they circle the picture that begins with the same sound as k, k, cat. Before they start, go over the words with them so that they know what they have to circle or not circle. So in the first row, we have a porcupine and a camel. In the second row, we have a cow and an octopus. In the third row, we have a whale and a crab. The answers are camel, cow, and crab. This is a template of picture cards to cut out and paste onto index cards for our next activity. Place the cards in the pocket chart or on the table or on the floor, and with your pointer say each picture card. The first one is whale. It does not begin with a k, k sound, so have kids remove the card. Next, point to the cow. It does begin with the k, k sound, so kids leave the card in the pocket chart and continue going on with the rest of the pictures until only the pictures that begin with the k, k sound are remaining in the pocket chart. Our next sound letter teaching card is D, and we see a picture of a dog. Let's say the chant. D, 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 dog. D, 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 dog. Next, you're going to have kids circle the picture that begins with the same sound as D, D, dog. But first go over the pictures in each row. In the first row, we have a D, D, dolphin and a B, B, bird. In the second row, we have an alligator and a D, D, duck. And in the third row, we have a fish and a D, D, deer. The answers are dolphin, duck, and deer. Next, we have an outline of a dog with letters. They are A's, D's, and C's. Have kids color all of the D's. Here is an example of a completed practice page. These are our pictures for our next sorting activity. We have dogs, dolphins, ducks, deer, alligators, a cat, and a bird. Place the pictures on index cards and then set them in a pocket chart on a table or on the floor. Have children leave only the cards that begin with the D sound and take away the others. So dolphin, dog, duck, and deer cards should stay in the pocket chart. Alligator, cat, and bird cards should be taken away. Now we are ready for our last sound letter teaching card for this week. We see a picture of an elephant, and it begins with the letter E. So let's say our chant. E, E, elephant. E, E, elephant. Now we're ready for our sorting activity, but this one changes. We are not looking for the same sound. We want kids to circle that picture that does not begin with the same sound as elephant. So let's go through our pictures. In the first row, we have an elk and a crab. In our second row, we have a dinosaur, but it is not dinosaur. We're going to use the word extinct. Extinct. Animals that are no longer with us. And duck. In our third row, we have a fish and an elk. So remember, we want the ones that do not begin like elephant. So let's just do our first row. Elk begins like elephant. Crab does not. So we are going to circle crab. The correct answers for the different beginning sound pictures are crab, duck, and fish. These are our pictures for our next sorting activity. Elephants, elk, extinct, remember not dinosaur, extinct, crab, ducks, and fish. In this activity, kids are taking away the pictures that begin with the short E sound, elephant, elk, and extinct, and we are only keeping the words that do not have the E sound, duck, crab, and fish. We are going to end our week 1 sound letter teaching cards with this activity. Cut out the pictures and letters below the cutting line and have kids paste them in the correct squares so that we have them in order to make alligator, bird, cat, dog, and elephant. The link for all the templates will be listed in the description section. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. The next video in this series will focus on the next 5 letters, F, G, H, I, and J.